Where are my minions? I'm just gonna sit here and wait for them.
Bro, let's go. We're gonna be late. Boss man's gonna be angry, bro. Dude, this ain't good, bro. Shit, tripping.
If they don't come over here, they won't go on that mission.
Nah, bro, we're gonna lose our job. Oh my god, bro. Yo, bro, what's up? We're here. We're right
Okay,
outside.
listen, I have a heist for you. Well, not a heist, but like,
Yes, I have to.
I would let you not go in one punch. So those are that. Okay,
Bro, what is that noise?
do you know Drift?
Yeah, sure.
I want
No,
you
bro.
to assassinate him. And,
Cool,
yeah.
bro.
Here's
Let's go,
the
bro.
two bows. Take them and knock him out. And when
Yeah,
you're
let's go.
done, follow me and I will show you where you have to put him.
Okay. Joints. Let's go, Scooby.
Stop acting like fools.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna
Put him in one of
take
these
him these
cells.
cells. Right? Whoa.
Oh, hell on.
Yeah, bro. Let's go, bro. We did it, bro. We're here.
I have to go to sewer. Wait, what the hell? What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Bro, get off the road. He's gonna see you, bro. Oh, fuck you, bro.
I have to
Because
make
I
it
don't
to
want
the...
to get caught by the people, bro. Oh my god, bro, that's so cool.
I made it to my treehouse, so I can just... Well, I have to look within. Okay,
Yeah, bro, that's so much
wait.
work.
Oh, come on. Can I send them? Really?
Well, let's go to the
Freaking.
gas station. I'll put it in my helmet so I just don't have to touch it. Perfect. It's in my helmet now. Yeah, bro. Oh my god, what is it? What the hell is that? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I don't want to be here. Let's go to the gas station.
Topple. Now I can go to the sewer. I just can't get to see him.
Whoa, bro. Oh, wow. I want to rob a bank.
I'm gonna... Okay, I have landed at the sewer. I just have to get into
Let's
the
go,
sewer.
bro.
Hey, losers! If you want me, come and get me.
Bro, who was that? That was mad suspicious. Dang, bro.
I'm just
That
gonna
hell
stay here till
fun.
they come. Cause it's gonna take them ages to get up, you know.
Let's go to school, bro. Oh, bro, no, bro, you
What's
good?
taking them so long?
That looked like it hurt.
I'm just wondering what the hell is taking them so long.
Let's shapeshift. Let's shapeshift into some kids and then just break into some
Oh, do
school.
I really have to go to them?
Hey, bro. Let's go to school.
Oh shit.
Same. Bro, that doesn't sound
Well,
good.
well, well, look who we have, some losers.
Let's go, bro. I don't know, bro. Yeah, definitely
Yeah,
not.
you can't even
Oh,
get up on the roof.
bro, come on, bro. We gotta go check the library, see if he's at the library. I know, that's why he could be hiding there.
Me
Yeah.
the damage.
Well, let's go, bro. Hey. Oh, I crashed into the wall. Oopsies. Bro, there's no books in this library. This library sucks, bro. Ooh. Ooh, there's one. Oh my god, it opens. What the heck? Bruh. Why is there
Ha! I'm gonna lay them
actually
in.
serious thing here? Why is there a prison down in the library? Bro, my accent has dropped, I'm guessing, to kind of confuse me. Accent's gone. Nope. Bro, there's a gnome on the bed. Asses. Yeah, let's go, bro.
Look!
Nah, bro. Let's
Oh
go,
shit.
bro. Move out the way, bro. I
Oh,
got
thanks.
this. Wait, I got it, bro. Yeah, bro, because bro, I
Hello.
think I saw a child. I shot the crane by accident. That stings. Ooh, what is that? Yeah, let's go, bro. Ooh, let's go.
See ya.
We lost that speed. Let's
Oh
go
shit.
by accident.
Sick. Ow.
Haha.
Ow. Oh, hello. You.
I got you, bro. Bro, you know we're supposed to kill you. This is how it's meant to go. Yeah, bro. I shot the dog by
Bye.
accident.
Shoot.
I got him, bro.
You won't get away with it.
Yeah, bro, we already have. I want to shoot him first. Boop. Oh, I saw them. Yeah, we
Oh
haven't really hunted
shit.
bodies now. Bro, I've lost you. Where are you?
Look, though. Wow. Look, so. Do I have to? Do I have to?
Yes.
You forgot about one thing. My name is Billy Eilish.
Bro, this
Why
isn't
does
how it
Chaos
works.
want you? Why does Chaos want me? Jeez.
Yeah,
No,
bro.
you're not gonna get me if you don't tell me what he wants. Jeez.
We don't know what he wants. Yo, Jinx.
Just leave him. It's that simple. Look.
Yeah, but we want money. I have balloons.
Hello.
That was a perfect landing.
Eh.
That was
You know, I'm
skipping.
just gonna watch some TV. What?
Yo, what's up, bro?
If you want me so bad, fine. You win. You win.
I did it, bro. I got him,
You
bro.
win. Just bring me to. You don't even
Bro,
have a car.
shut
So how
up.
are you gonna bring me
Bro, I
there?
got him. Bro, bro. Stay there. No, don't stay. No, no. Stay there. Yo, watch the TV or
You
something.
know what? I'm gonna help you. Jeez. Give me a minute.
Okay,
Hold
okay,
on.
bro. Bro, what are you
Fun.
doing?
Fun. A
Bro,
car.
bro, where are you going? I don't know, bro.
I know my pal. My pal is just. You're bad at driving. I'm just gonna
Shut
say.
up, bro. I'm blind in one eye. Yeah, man. Come on, bro. Let's go.
You know my. If I
Let's
had
go.
my fast powers, I would be up there in 2 seconds, but I
Yeah,
can't
well,
use
we
them.
can't do much about that, bro. We don't know why you don't go first.
Wait, how do you know my name?
Bro, because we're smart. He told us, my guy. He
Wait,
told us. Does it look like we just know your name on our own, bro?
you're from the. You work with Chaos, and I was at the Wolf.
Yeah, bro.
You
Come on,
lived.
bro.
Oh hell no! Hell no! Okay, I'm just gonna get. I'm getting in the base.
Bro, that's not cool. Yeah, exactly. You're going the
I'm
right
just gonna
way.
break
Not
everyone in the
outsmarting
base.
us.
See you, losers. Oh, shit.
You're going the wrong way, bro.
I definitely do not have a drone. I don't have. Where's my dad? Where's my...
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'll stay here then. Yeah.
Good. Be careful. Get that drone.
What?
I said get the drone
You
because
stay there. I'll get the drone.
you know that drone can get out, and once that drone gets out, it can leak information about the base.
Bro,
So
who
if that drone
cares?
gets
We're
out,
only here to get paid. We don't care.
come on.
We don't even work here. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Haha. See you, suckers.
We ain't even doing anything. Wow.
Ah, damn it. One thing, my weakness is the cube.
Getting shot. Getting
Ow!
shot.
Damn it! Ow! One thing. Did you like and subscribe? I'm just wondering because why does I have a question? Why is Wolfcan? Why you guys from Chaos? If my guys didn't come, I was just walking at a normal kid, being a normal kid in the neighborhood, but you had to come and ruin my life.
Yeah, bro. We were told.
Well, are you sure you want to come in here?
I'm not ready. Oh.
Yeah, you better just go. I'm just gonna I just give up. I give up. I literally give up. Just whatever, loser. No.
Bro, you shot me, bro. There's an arrow in my back.
You did, I mean, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh god. Also, guys, you know this is the first episode of the Wolfcon? Hey, Carl, can I just ask you something?
What?
I wouldn't believe Chaos because he's a fucking liar. So, I don't know why you...
He already PayPal'd them.
I'm not saying he won't give you the money because you didn't cast.
He already did, bro.
Also, you left the door open and you forgot one member.
Too bad. We already got the money.
I'm not telling you.
Yeah, bro.
And also, she's a woman.
Like mine. It's safe and friendly, and it's a real small lifestyle.
And then once she finds out that I'm missing, you're dead. Oh, fine. Tina.
Let's go, bro.
You don't know where. Also, before you knock me out, you don't know where the secret location is.
You don't care.
It's where you were born, gentleman. Whatever, loser.
Yes, bro.
No, I have to go. I have to get to the docks before. I just have to hurry to get the boat before the boat go out.
Bro, let's go, bro.
I'm not going. I'm going to my secret location. See ya.
I don't care.
Do not follow me.
Yeah,
No, I'm
bro.
not. I'm going to my secret location called the Wolf Clan HQ.
Sorry.
Shit. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, much. I can't believe that actually happened. I got captured. I wanted to be anonymous. I just wanted to be a normal kid for once in my life, and I got captured by chaos. Just why?
Oh, here, he's outside. Come here. Yeah, he's here. Wait, Jack, hurry on. Bro, he's just gone onto the roof. Now he's going to his room. Yeah. Let's go to his room. Go to his room.
Oh god, wait, there's a sneaky way I could go, but like, it's risky. Oh, oh shit.
You're not hiding, you idiot. You're not hiding.
Hello?
Bro,
Ah!
what are you doing? Bro, he got still.
I was just being in the Seoul. I just had to go to Seoul. I did,
He
and
got
then
still.
these morons captured me. They worked for chaos. And
Yeah, I
one,
see
they
your
took it off me. I couldn't. And I
Yeah,
may
what did
have
they look like?
lost the whip to go.
What did he look like?
One guy looks like a burning wolf. A native guy.
We got a little bit of a problem with the birding wolf one.
Wait, hold on, baby.
Bro, is my bro. Birding wolf girl is my
About that, then chaos kind of, they kind of took my DNA.
Yeah, well.
Like, I had no choice. Well, at least I have my Joan.
We don't care about your drone.
Also,
Um,
you know what, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go to bed. See ya.
whatever.
Hopefully they don't come to the base.
What's this?
Oh, no, the sale point. No, don't. Chaos, you won't get the sale point. No. The sale point. I must. I have to get. Oh, that's my phone.
Okay.
Are you okay? I'm just saying the sale point is in danger. I'm just gonna go back to bed. See ya.
What? You can't really leave it at that.
Yeah. And they know
Why
about
is your
you.
bed so big? Jesus.
Don't ask. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna stay in your room tonight in case you have another weird little episode. I'm gonna sleep right here. Yeah, that's where I'll stay.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. I'm gonna go to bed.